Okay, so here we are again. Let me tell you the problem that we were having so that you don't make the same mistake. These sections are all basically the same size except for one. It's a little shorter. And you figure that they're identical, but they're not. They have their own little place. So my advice to you is when you take them off, number them 1, 2, 3, 4, or from the back to the front 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter as long as you number them. And then the other thing is, yesterday we were attempting to put this thing in here, and we still had the 2x4 back there in the back. What we didn't realize was that caused this thing to wave drastically. So what we were doing is we were pressing down here where we were working, trying to line it up, and let me tell you, it just wasn't getting there. So what we did is we put these straps to hold them to these columns, and we could pull them up and hold them and all that at the same time. So we lined up the top of the metal to the window frame where it was supposed to be, and now we're going to see about lining up some holes and putting some rivets in here. Now the thing is, we can't put all the rivets in because I still have to drill some holes on the new material and what have you. Now, I had bought some carbide bits, which is what I found at Harbor Freight, but as you saw when I was attempting to drill these rivets out of here, they weren't drilling anything, and that was just aluminum rivets, and oh, it was terrible. So I'm gonna have to order some cobalt bits or something, because it ain't getting it. All right, we'll show you in a minute. Okay guys, so here we are, slowly moving, but moving. As you can see, a lot of the rivets are out or in. There's a rivet right there and some back here. I need to get a different drill bit. This one here, I need a different drill bit. These carbide drill bits just don't get it. So right now it's lunchtime. We're gonna go eat, and then we'll continue doing this back here. See what happens. Yeah. Okay. See you after lunch. Okay, so what Woon is doing, she's marking the holes on either side of this patch and then matching them to the ones on the bus, and then she transfers to here. And then I'm gonna buy some well, I'm gonna try the drill bit that I'm using up here, but it takes a long time to drill. But if I can drill that here, then I can start putting this thing back. If not, when I get the new drill bits, then I can come and drill these things out here. Yeah. Yep. All right, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วปะกันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.
บ๊ายบาย